So we'll make a few casts, see how it goes. I came here, I think, at a different time of day, so might not work as well as I think. One try to grab it, you see that? Oh man, got too eager there. Got a little eager there. I like this bait holder on this Strike King Bitsy jig. First one of the day, baby. Look at that. It's a hefty fish there. All for the Bitsy mini jig. All for the Bitsy mini jig. Beautiful. Beautiful looking fish. He really wanted to get off, so he's off. So he was hiding out in these shadows that are like 3 feet deep underneath this bush here. That was a fun catch. And the tree limb too. Got a tree limb as a bonus. That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad at all. So the Bitsy mini jig does catch fish.